Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the FAS tag is active and matched to your vehicle. This avoids registration issues later. Next, position it behind the rearview mirror where cameras can read it and glare is minimal, because placement affects scan reliability. Clean a 2x2-inch patch with 70% isopropyl alcohol and let it dry for about 1 minute so adhesive bonds. Do not touch the cleaned surface. Once done, align sticker orientation with antenna logo facing outward to ensure proper RFID read. Now apply the FAS tag carefully. Peel the backing slowly and hold the tag by its edges to avoid touching adhesive or antenna traces, because oils reduce adhesion. Align using the top windshield seam or a masking tape guide so the tag sits level. Orientation matters for RFID polarization. Once aligned, press the center downward for 30 seconds and then roll your palm outward to squeeze out air. Good contact prevents delamination. Make sure no creases appear, as they can block reads. Finish by protecting the FAS tag. If desired, apply a narrow strip of clear tape along edges only to prevent peeling without covering the antenna, because full lamination can interfere with reads. Then verify. Drive through a staff toll lane or use a test lane to confirm the toll plaza registers your tag and the app balance updates. If the tag fails to read, re-clean and reapply slightly higher or lower on the windshield, and check expiry or registration mismatches as the likely causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.